Well, hey, you guys, I hope you enjoyed class on Thursday where we were able to explore some of the properties of water. At the end of class, I talked to you about naming those properties, and we called them cohesion, where water sticks to itself, and adhesion, where it sticks to other things. These two diagrams here, or images here, really show both of those properties. We've got a plant stem down below on the left-hand side that shows water sticking to the plant stem, but it's also sticking to itself. And the same thing up in the upper right-hand corner where water is being poured out of a glass, and it's following the edge of the glass as it moves downward. So it's sticking to the glass, but it's also sticking to itself. So cohesion is sticking to itself. Adhesion is sticking to something else. Let's take a look at why that happens. The reason is because we have a property of water that we call polarity. In other words, there are polar ends to a water molecule. There's a plus end, has a positive charge, and a minus end that has a negative charge. The positive end is on the hydrogens, and the negative end is on the oxygens. So that means that the oxygen end of a water molecule is attracted to a different water molecule's hydrogen end. And because of that, you can see in these diagrams that we have cohesion, where water is sticking to itself, and we also have adhesion, where in the case of the clay mineral, the water is sticking to that because the positive ends of the hydrogen are being attracted to the negative ends of the charge on the clay mineral. So we see both of those properties. Another thing that we use to describe these properties is what we call surface tension. The reason that the paperclip floats on the water is because the water forms sort of a skin, or it has surface tension because of its cohesion and adhesion properties. So the paperclip is able to float on that skin that's created through surface tension. Water skippers do the same thing. And that's pretty cool. In this video, which I'll show you in just a moment, you'll be able to see a water droplet in slow motion, and you'll be able to see that cohesion property being displayed here as well. That's pretty cool, isn't it? So as a closure to this week's video, I would want to remind you to take the survey that I have posted for you on the website, and just make sure that you have taken notes on this video. And that's all there is. Pretty easy week for you. When you come to class next week, we're going to go back to talking about your plants, so make sure you're recording observations of your plants every day. And we are going to look specifically at seeds, and we'll also begin to take a look at flowers, because soon your plants will be flowering, and you need to understand what's going on in that case. Okay, so I'll see you next week. Thanks. Bye.